Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of CS Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. I'm obviously not in my house right now. I'm here up north in Prince George, BC, visiting some family, and I needed to film this part. So yeah, and I forgot to do that when I was at home. So bear with me. But today we're making something super special. I've been really into Afghani food lately. I've been finding a lot of great restaurants here, not here in Prince George, but here in Vancouver. And it's just so great for this kind of cold, chilly kind of weather. So today we are going to be making AUSH. AUSH is a Afghan noodle and bean soup / stew. I would consider it more of like a soup. It's made with some thick noodles. We got some beans, chickpeas, and kidney beans. We've got this wonderful spiced meat mixture that goes on top, and a tangy yogurt sauce that's filled with so many herbs. It's just so flavorful. It's super tasty, and I cannot wait to teach you guys all how to make it. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we got our list of ingredients here, and I actually added too many, so just disregard. We got some ground beef, 1 pound. We have an onion. We have our noodles here. You can use just linguine, is totally fine. We have 1 can of diced tomatoes. We have ginger garlic paste, and we also have a bit of tomato paste, paprika powder, omitting the curry powder, don't listen to that, turmeric. We got a pinch of chili powder, a little dash of cumin here, and some dried mint leaves. As well as for our sauce, we're gonna have some yogurt, a little bit of lemon juice, and Persian cash. So you can find this at any Middle Eastern store. Oh yeah, and fresh dill. So I have chickpeas and red kidney beans that I've dried overnight and soaked, and now I'm just cooking that on the stove, salted of course. I have my onions, which I'm going to go ahead and dice, adding in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and adding in your diced onions to saute. Once we sauteed that, we're going to go ahead and add our ginger garlic paste, and we're going to be adding a tablespoon each of coriander, a bit of turmeric, a pinch of cumin, and a pinch of chili powder, salt and pepper. Adding in our ground beef until it's nicely brown, and adding in about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of tomato paste. Saute and add in our diced tomatoes. While that is simmering, so lower that to a simmer, in a pot of boiling salted water, we're going to add in and break in our reshte noodles or our linguine. Once that is cooked, we're going to add in our cooked beans to the water. In the meantime, we're going to make our sauce. We have about 2 cups of yogurt. I have about 2 tablespoons of dried mint and half a bunch of fresh dill. I have the juice of 1 juicy ripe lemon, 1 teaspoon of table salt, and I'm going to add in some water here just to dilute it. It's supposed to be quite runny, and you will see why this is later. And of course, I would like to add more lemon juice. If you had more lemons, please do. So to the soup, to the noodles, we're adding in about half of our yogurt sauce, and we're going to add more water here just to loosen it up. And as you keep this overnight, you will have to add more water to loosen it up to more of a soup consistency, unless you like it super thick. So we're going to go ahead and spoon in our finished meat sauce on top. I like to put it on the middle, and here we're going to be adding the remaining parts of our yogurt sauce. So feel free to make any pretty design here as you wish, as you like. It's really a nice big amount of flavor here. Fresh cilantro on top, and if you have access to cash or fermented yogurt, adds quite a bit of tang as well. So that is it. It's super tasty. Dig in. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell just at the top right hand corner so you don't miss any videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!